Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the latest from Samsung, the Galaxy M35. Released on 24th May 2024, this smartphone is packed with impressive features that promise to elevate your mobile experience. Whether you are a power user, a mobile photographer, or just looking for a reliable phone with a huge battery, the Galaxy M35 might just be what you need. Let's explore everything this device has to offer. First up, let's talk about the display and design. The Samsung Galaxy M35 features a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080x2340 pixels. With a 120Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits of peak brightness, the display is perfect for vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. The design is sleek and modern, with a glass front, plastic frame, and glass back. It's available in dark blue, light blue, and grey. Weighing in at 222 grams, it feels substantial but still comfortable to hold. In terms of memory and storage, the Galaxy M35 comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Plus, there's a microSD slot, which uses a shared SIM slot, allowing for expandable storage if you need more space for your apps, photos, and videos. Now, let's delve into the cameras. The Galaxy M35 boasts a triple camera setup on the back, featuring a 50MP main sensor with PDAF and OIS, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro lens. This combination lets you capture detailed and vibrant photos, whether you are shooting landscapes or close-ups. It also supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. For selfies, there's a 13MP front camera that can record 4K videos at 30 frames per second, ensuring you look your best in every shot. Battery life is a crucial factor, and the Galaxy M35 excels with its 6000 mAh battery. It supports 25W wired charging, ensuring you can quickly top up your battery and stay connected throughout the day. Whether you are a heavy user or someone who hates carrying a charger, this phone has got you covered. The Galaxy M35 is powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset with an octa-core CPU and Mali G68MP5 GPU. This setup provides smooth and efficient performance, whether you are gaming, multitasking, or streaming. Running on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, the user experience is intuitive and feature-rich. Additional features include stereo speakers, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and dual-band Wi-Fi 6. In terms of connectivity, the Galaxy M35 supports a wide range of network technologies, including GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. It also comes with dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and a USB Type-C 2.0 port with OTG support, ensuring versatile and reliable connectivity options for all your needs. The Samsung Galaxy M35 was released on 24th May 2024 and is available now at about €520. Given its impressive specs and features, it offers great value for its price, making it a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. So, that wraps up our in-depth review of the Samsung Galaxy M35. With its stunning display, powerful performance, versatile cameras, and long-lasting battery, it's a fantastic option for anyone looking for a reliable and feature-rich smartphone. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Galaxy M35 and if you are planning to get one. Thanks for watching.